Growing up, my mom used to always make me and my siblings this delicious traditional lentil soup. Whenever we weren't feeling so well, she used to always make this for us, and it would make us feel so much better. I'm gonna let my onions and my garlic saute for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some more flavor, some cilantro stems. And now for my spice, some coriander, which is actually the seed of a cilantro. I'm using brown lentils because they hold up really well in my soup, and that's what my mom used to use. In Lebanon, we cook a lot with lentils. We throw them in our soups or in our salads. They're just so good for you. And to bring this all together, a little veg stock. And there you go. This soup just needs to simmer for a little bit. This lentil soup is called rishta in Lebanon, and I'm gonna add my own little twist to it. I'm gonna fry up some pita chips, and then I'm gonna sprinkle them on top to add a nice little crunch. All right, my pita chips are ready to be fried, but first, I wanna add one last thing to my soup. Some Swiss chard. I don't want the spine, I just want the soft, leafy part. Oh, it's looking so good. And it smells just like my mom's kitchen. And now I want to brighten this up with a little bit of lemon juice. It's gonna add that zing. As they fry, they're gonna get nice and golden brown and really crispy. And while they're hot, a little bit of salt. And in Lebanon, we love za'atar, a little bit of thyme and some roasted sesame seeds. It reminds me of my childhood, and it looks exactly the way my mom used to make it. And a little bit of cilantro for garnish. Nice and warm, and that za'atar and the crunch. Perfect combination. So comforting. And a little bit of crunch, and the soft lentils. This is so, so, so good.